Welcome to Tamil Nadu State Board Higher Secondary Mathematics +1. In this class, we are going to solve a problem based on two-dimensional analytical geometry, or a question in the subject two-dimensional analytical geometry. From the exercise 6.4, the question number 10, we are given the question as follows. A triangle OPQ, a triangle OPQ is formed by the pair of straight lines x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. So this is the pair of straight lines that we are given, and with the help of this pair of straight lines, a triangle is formed, and that is shown in the picture. Triangle OPQ is formed with the pair of straight lines. Now what are they asking? Find the equation of the median. Find the equation of the median of the triangle OPQ drawn from the origin. So we are asked to find out the equation of the median OM because it is drawn from the origin. So the median passes through the origin O, and it has to cut the midpoint of the side PQ, which we have marked it as M. So we are asked to find out the median. Okay. So what we have to do for that is, what are we given first? We are given that the combined equation of straight lines, namely the pair of straight lines we are given. When you look at this equation, we see that this is a homogeneous equation. This is a homogeneous equation. How do we say that it is homogeneous? When you look at the degree of the equation, each term, if you look at the degree of each term, this is 2, and this is also 2, x power 1, y power 1. When you add these two, what you will get is degree is going to be 1, because see, for the power of x1, y1, so 1 plus 1, it is 2. Again, for the power of if you look at the power of y, it is also 2. So throughout the degree is the same. So it is homogeneous equation of degree 2. So having found out that this is a homogeneous equation of degree 2, what are we going to do is, we are going to solve this equation. Why we have to solve? Because we are going to find out the separate equations of the straight line. So what are we going to do? We are going to find the separate equations. So first, what we are going to do? First, we find separate equations of straight lines. We find separate equation of straight lines. So we are going to factorize this equation. Since it is homogeneous, what we are going to do is, we are going to write this as, let us write it as what? See, I am writing the equation y square minus 4xy plus x square is equal to 0. Now I am going to divide this equation throughout by x square. So divide throughout by x square, throughout by x square, so that what do we get? We get, on dividing this throughout by x square, what do we get? We get this is y by x whole square. When you divide this throughout by x square, you will get y by x whole square minus 4 times. When you divide it by x square, x will go off, so you will get 4 times y by x. So x square by x square, you are going to get 1, and that is equal to 0. 0 by x square is 0. Okay, of course x is not equal to 0. So we are dividing this equation both left hand side as well as right hand side. So we are dividing this equation y square minus 4xy plus x square is equal to 0, both left hand side by x square and right hand side by x square. So to get this, so if you look at this equation, this is quadratic in y by x. So you can treat this as a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. You can treat this as a quadratic equation in y by x. So what you can do is you can solve this equation. Therefore we can make use of the formula. Therefore so whenever we have a quadratic equation, of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the relation between roots and coefficients is given by this formula, minus b plus r minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the relationship between what? Relationship between roots and coefficients. So this formula gives us the relationship between roots and coefficients. So we are going to make use of this and we are going to apply here to this quadratic equation. Okay, so our equation being it's an equation in y by x. So y by x is equal to minus b, minus of minus 4. So in this case for our problem a is 1. So here you can take a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is 1. So what do is we proceed like this. So minus b plus r minus square root of b square is 16 minus 4ac, 4 into a is 1, c is also 1, 4ac, and whole thing is divided by 2a. So everything is divided by 2a. So you would divide it by 2 times a is 1. So 2 times 1. Okay. So this is minus times minus is 4. So plus or minus 16 minus 4 is 12. 16 minus 4 is 12, and that is divided by 2. This is nothing but y by x or y over x. Now we know that root 12 can be written as 3 times 4. So this is 2 root 3. So we can write root 12 as 2 root 3. Okay. So what do is we are going to write it as this is 4 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 2. That is nothing but y over x. So you can, if you look here, when you look here carefully, what do we get is you have 2 common in both the terms. So what we can do is you can take 2 common. So this is 2 plus or minus root 3 over 2. So you can cancel out these 2. This 2 and 2. You can cancel out this. So you will be left with what? You will be left with y over x. Y over x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. So that is now you can write like this. So y over x is equal to 2 plus root 3 or y upon x is equal to 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. So these are the 2 separate equations. That is, you can write like this also. You can write this way also. So y is equal to 2 plus root 3 times x, or y is equal to 2 minus root 3 times x. So these are the separate equations. Now let us write down. The separate equation as, let us write down the separate equation as, let us write down the separate equation. So therefore separate equations are So these are the two equations. Y is equal to 2 plus root 3 are separate lines, are equations of lines, are rather separate equations of lines, or equations of lines are one is y is equal to 2 plus root 3 times x, and the other equation is y is equal to 2 minus root 3 times x. And remember that we are given a triangle, again I remind you, we are given a triangle OPQ, and that is formed by the pair of straight lines, namely here it is O, pair of straight lines. So this is O, this is P, and this is Q. And we have found that this you can take this to be equation of OP, and this line as equation of OQ. So equation of OP, you can take this to be equation of separate equation of OP, and this you can take it as equation of OQ. And remember that we are also given that equation of PQ. So that is given to be, when you go back to the problem you will see equation of PQ is given to be x plus y minus 2. Equation of PQ is given to be x plus y minus q. Equation of PQ is given to be x plus y minus q. X plus y minus 2, not q, it is minus 2. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is given in the question. When you look at the question, you can see that the equation of PQ is given to be x plus y minus 2. Of course, I have not written here. It is given here. Equation of PQ is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is given in the problem itself. So we have written the equation of PQ, which is given in the problem. Now when you look at the problem, so what is our aim? We have to find out the equation of the median. So for that, what we have done is we have found out the equation of what? We have found out the equation of OP and the equation of PQ. They are nothing but the separate equations. So here we have equation of OP and equation of OQ and we are also given that equation of PQ is also given. Now what do we do is we have to find out the coordinates of P and the coordinates of Q. So first our aim is to find that coordinates of, now we are going to find out the coordinates of P. So to find the coordinates, coordinates of P. So first let us find out coordinates of P, and then let us find out the coordinates of Q. Now to find the coordinates of P, what we have to do is we have to solve the equation OP and PQ. To find the coordinates of coordinates of P, we solve these two equations. We solve 2 plus root 3 times x minus y is equal to 0. So this is, let us take this equation of OP to be 1, and equation of OQ to be 2, and this to be 3, equation of PQ to be 3, and then this is x plus y is equal to 2. So this is equation 1. We are solving equation 1 and equation 3. So when you solve these two equations, you will get the coordinates of P, because that is nothing but the point of intersection of OP and PQ. Okay, what do we do is you simply add these two. When you add these two, you will get y cancelled. You will get y cancelled. In that case, what you will have is 2 plus root 3 plus 1 times x. 2 plus root 3 plus 1 times x is equal to 2. Now this is 3 plus root 3. 3 plus root 3 times x is equal to 2. 3 plus root 3 times x is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of x, what is the value of x? X is equal to 2 over 3 plus root 3. 2 over 3 plus root 3. Let us rationalize this. This is rationalize the denominator. 3 minus root 3 multiplied and divided by 3 minus root 3. So what you will get is 9 minus 3. So you will get 6 in the denominator, because this is a plus b. This is of the form a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square, then 9 minus 3, and this will be 2 times 3 minus root 3. And you can cancel out these two. 2 and 6 may be cancelled out. What you will get is 3 minus root 3 times 3. 3 minus root 3 times 3. So this is what is the value of x. This is what is the value of x. Similarly, now what do we do is we let us substitute the value of x in 3 to get the value of y. Therefore, from 3, we see that y is equal to 2 minus x. But x is just now we have found out. Okay, so 2 minus, what is x? 3 minus root 3 by 3. 3 minus root 3 by 3. Now if you take LCM, what will happen? This is going to be 6 minus 3 minus root 3 over 6 over 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 plus root 3 by 3. 3 plus root 3 by 3. Therefore coordinates of P. We have found out the coordinates of P. X coordinate is 3 minus root 3 by 3, and y coordinate is 3 plus root 3 by 3. So these are the coordinates of P. Likewise, what we have to do is we have to find the coordinates of Q. So we have found out the coordinates of P. Let us write down the coordinates of P. 3 minus root 3 by 3. So coordinates of P are 3 minus root 3 by 3, and y coordinate is 3 plus root 3 by 3. 3 plus root 3 by 3. So we have found out the coordinates of P. Similarly, let us find out the coordinates of Q. For that, what we have to do is we have to solve the equation OQ and PQ. For that, we have to solve the equation OQ and PQ. So let us write down. To find the coordinates of Q, we have to solve OQ and PQ. So these are two equations. So what is the OQ? Let us write down the equation of OQ. What is OQ? OQ is y is equal to 2 minus root 3 times x. So OQ is 2 minus root 3 times x minus y is equal to 0. PQ is x plus y. X plus y is equal to 2. So when you solve these two, and this is equation 2 and this is equation 3, already we have numbered them. Okay, when you add these two, what you will get is 1 plus 2 minus root 3 times x is equal to 2 when you add these two. So what you will get is 3 minus root 3 times x is equal to 2. So what is x? So therefore what is x? X becomes, therefore what is x? X is equal to 2 over or 2 upon 3 minus root 3. Now let us rationalize the denominator as we did in the previous case. So 3 plus root 3, this is 3 plus root 3. So what do we get? Again this is a minus b times a plus b, and of course you know that whenever we have a minus b times a plus b, and you know that this is an identity, famous algebraic identity, you all know, you apply, you will get a square minus b square. So this is 3 square, 3 square is minus 9 and 9 minus 3, and what you will get in the numerator is 2 times 3 plus root 3. This is what you will get, and what you will get here is this is going to be 6, that gets cancelled with 2. So what you will get is 3 plus root 3 by 3. So this is what is the x coordinate is. This is what is the x coordinate is. This is what is the x coordinate is. Now we are going to find out the y coordinate. Therefore what is the y coordinate? Therefore from 3, again from 3 we can find the y coordinate. What is y? Y is equal to 2 minus x, and that is nothing but 2 minus, what is our x? 3 plus root 3 over 3 upon 3. So when you simplify this, what you will get is 3 2s are 6, take LCM, minus 3 minus root 3. See, this is common for both, this minus is common for both. Okay, so this is 3. Okay, so what do we get here? This is 3 minus root 3 by 3. So this is what is our y is. So we have obtained x here, x coordinate here, and y coordinate here. Again let us try to draw the triangle here, and let us draw the triangle. After that let us mark the coordinates. Let us draw the triangle here. So this is what is the triangle that for which we are trying to find out the median, equation of the median. See if this is what is our triangle. If this is what is our triangle OPQ, and the coordinates of Q just now we have found out. This is 3 minus root 3 over upon 3. This is y coordinate. How about the x coordinate? How about the x coordinate? 3 plus root 3. 3 plus root 3. X coordinate is 3 plus root 3 upon 3. So we have found out the coordinate C. So this is what is the x coordinate. This is what is the x coordinate, and this is what is the y coordinate of Q. Likewise we have found out the x and y coordinate of P also. 3 minus root 3, 3 plus root 3. P also. So this is for P, this is x coordinate is 3 minus root 3 by 2 by 3, comma this is 3 plus root 3 by 3. When you closely look at these two, see they are getting reversed. X and y coordinates are interchanged, and our aim here is to find out the median. Our aim here is to find out the median. You may ask a question, why we have found out the coordinates of P and Q. See, when you know the coordinates of P and Q, to find the median, what we have to do is we have to apply the midpoint formula to find the median, we have to find the midpoint of PQ. So what is the midpoint of PQ? Midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of PQ is nothing but M. M is equal to, you add these two x coordinates, 3 minus root 3 plus 3 plus root 3 by 3, okay, by 2. So this is x coordinate of M. Likewise 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3 by 3 by 2. This is y coordinate of M. This is y coordinate of M. And that is equal to, what will happen? See, when you look at the problem, you see that this minus 3 and plus 3 will get cancelled. 3 plus 3 becomes 6. 6 by 3 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So this becomes 2 by 2. Comma, the same thing is true in the y coordinate also. So this becomes 2 by 2. See, 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 by 3 is 2. 2 over 2 is 1. So the coordinates of M are nothing but 1, 1. So these are the coordinates. And we are already given that O is the origin. In the question, we are given that O is the origin. Now we have 2 points. We have 2 points, namely O is the origin, 0, 0. So we have 2 points. We know that equation of straight line in 2 point form, in 2 points form, 2 points form is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. Y minus y1 is equal to y minus y1 over y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So this is the equation. Now we have 2 points here. So you can take this to be x1 and this to be y1, and here it is x2, and you can take this to be y2. Now when you substitute here, y minus 0 by y2 minus y1, y1 minus 0 is equal, 1 minus 0 is equal to x minus 0 by 1 minus 0. That is x is equal to y, or x minus y is equal to 0 is the equation of the median. Is the equation of the median equation of the median from O. Equation of the median from O. Equation of the median through O, rather median through O, through the origin. So this is the equation of the median. So moral of, what is the moral of the story? This is the equation of the median. So what is the moral of the story? So we are asked to find out the median. Through the origin, from the origin. So for that, what we have to do is, we are given a pair of straight lines. So what we have done is, we have factorized the homogeneous equation into 2 separate equations, namely OP and OQ. And to find the equation of OM, we need the coordinates of M, namely the midpoint of PQ. For that, what we have done is, we found out the coordinates of P and the coordinates of Q. Having found out the coordinates of P and Q, using the midpoint formula, we found the coordinates of M, which is nothing but which is turning out to be 1, 1. Now, by taking this O and M as 2 points, applying the 2 point form of straight line, we have found out that the equation of median through O or from O is nothing but x minus y is equal to 0. So this is the problem that was asked by one of the student in the class, and I have solved it for you. Okay, hope you have enjoyed solving the problem. Thank you for watching.